Well, good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. Exports have just come out. Let's go straight to those right now. Cotton market, 326,500 running bales, up 26% from the previous week and up 24% from the 4-week average. China took 61,000 running bales. Indonesia took 52,600 running bales, and India took, let's skip from India over. It looks like 49,200 running bales. And the new crop sales, 2018-19, 31,900. Shipments of 148,200 running bales. Okay, reaction to the market. Cotton was up 61 before the report. It's up 74 now, so we'll continue to see a bullish market there reacting to this demand number. Looking now at soybeans, 1,742,900 metric tons. That's up 20% from the previous week and up 34% from the 4-week average. China took 1,577,400 metric tons. Then we've got Mexico taking 110,000 metric tons. Thailand taking 94,000 metric tons. Soybean report, soybeans were down 2 1/4 before the report. Now they're down 1 3/4. Now corn, 1,558,300 metric tons, up 80% from the previous week and up 82% from the 4-week average. Mexico took 381,500 metric tons. Unknown destinations took 296,600 metric tons. Colombia took 167,100 metric tons. And the corn market before the report was down 3/4 cent. Right now it is down a half cent. Wheat. Wheat market, let's see. Net sales 796,300. That's a marketing year high. Unknown destinations took 193,700. Japan took 132,100. Algeria took 120,000. Now let me see the reaction of the market. Excuse me, I've got to see my notes. The wheat market was down 1 just before the report. I tape it just here on the board, and I just was out of sight here. So down 1 before the report, off this good report, just before it came out. Now it's up 1/4 cent. So it is starting to react in a positive way. So let's look at some recent history here. Cotton market in March. We've seen a trading range there of 75 to 76.5. Most of it, at least the latter phase of this, has been speculative driven. The forecast at some point will return to the 71 or the low 70 area. Until then, how high can we go? Well, it's anybody's guess with speculators pushing this market up. Could get to 77, could get to 78. Hard to tell on that. Soybeans, recent range. We saw a high in January beans on the 5th of December at 10.15. The low made today was 9.51 1/4, a drop of 65 cents over 13 days. Should find support down here soon. Very oversold market. Weather in South America has been sort of the news, and that's been a negative for the market as they've gotten rain. That also applies to corn. Corn's recent range, we saw a high on December the 4th at 360.5 for March corn. A low made 3 days ago at 346.5. That's a drop of 14 cents. Should also find support soon there. Wheat, recent range, a high on December the 4th at 443. A low on December the 12th at 410.5. A drop of 33 cents. Expect to find support in all these markets. Typically we do as we move through the winter into planting time. The trend in markets, typically in grains and in cotton, is to move up during that time period. That's it. Let's take one last look. Cotton's up 79 at 76.50. The high is 76.58. We have soybeans down 1 3/4 at 9.52 1/4. Corn is unchanged at 349 1/4 in March corn. And March wheat up 1/4 at 423 3/4. That is it. Thanks for being with us for this edition of the E3 Weekly Market Report. Have a good day.